Merchants Fleet has seen explosive growth in the past few years, and now their recent acquisition by Bain Capital means that they are poised to grow even more.
Let's start with where we've been already with Bain. They came in a couple of years ago, 2.5 years ago, as our growth capital partner. As we continued to grow, we really needed an external investor, and they came in. But if we look over the last 4.5 years, let's say beginning of 2018 to 22, we've actually grown 5x on our top line. And that's just been explosive growth. It's been the employees have just done such a great job. Our clients are recognizing that value. But as we've grown like that, it's really put a lot of stress on our ownership group, where we really needed to go outside for professional ownership. And at the same time, Bain had a chance to be invested in the company for a number of years. And I like to use the kind of example of like lease to own. They had a chance to get to know us a little bit and then own us. But as we brought Bain in, we also brought ADIA, the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, in as well as a co-investor. And then we also brought in all 11 leadership team members as co-investors. So we've really got a group of 3 led by Bain Capital, private investment firm, ADIA, Sovereign Wealth Fund, and the leadership team, so that we're all invested in the business for the long term. We think that sends the right message to our employees. So for instance, when we did our employee huddle right after the announcement, we didn't get many questions on, hey, Brendan, are you staying? Are our other leaders staying? Because they saw us as investors. And I think that's made our clients feel very good as well. Now, as a former client and advisor, I look at this and say, there's so many things that haven't changed. Our core values haven't changed. Our core values, I go back to 2009 when I was a client. We did the country's biggest blood drive in 2009. We still do it in 2022. I participated in a softball game in 2010 with the company as a client. We're still going to have one this September, and you're welcome to come on out and enjoy that with us. So, our high touch service, how we provide service to our clients, there's really no change there. We're continuing to invest in our people the way we always have. So then when I start to look at if we've got the same values and the same people and the same high touch service, what has changed over the last number of years? What's changed is our vision. Our vision is very different than it was just a few years ago. I would say it's bigger, it's bolder, it's more innovative, it's longer term. And in doing that, that's what's been behind a lot of that growth.